Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025 Top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details guide tip for round 3 to get the top result in CompXM, right? So I show you the detail now. So for round 3 and round 4, it is quite easy. You just follow the 5 steps to update the IND as you see on the screen. You can download the free Excel file to calculate IND faster. If you want to know the detail, you can check the video of round 1 and round 2, and then you set the decision for the marketing. Marketing for round 4 is also simple because you have the top sale and top profit now. With the result, you see that you have the top sale here, right? Much higher than all the competitor. You have 260, the other much lower, and you get the top profit here, right? So for round 2, 3 is easy. You just reduce the price by 50 cents, increase the promotion and sale to 2,000, and then calculate the sale forecast based on the unit you sold last round. This is important. I show you now. You check the production report here, so you see the unit you sold here, and then inventory is here. You can use Excel file to calculate that faster, right? For round 3, right? You see that here. For round 3, you see the unit you sold here, and then the demand and the segment growth differently. If you want roughly, you can use 120%. If you want precise, you copy from the career report, and then you get the sales forecast here, and then the production. Again, I show you the strategy. You do not copy the number and paste because CompXM different from student to student. I say it again and again, 10 or 100 times. Do not ever copy the number. I show you the strategy so you get the overview of how to do the CompXM, and then you customize that to match your game. And then for the production, you have the sales forecast here, you have the inventories here, and then you can calculate the production schedule. And then for round 3, you increase the capacity for the 2 nano elite product, and then increase automation to 10 for trip, 8 for core, and 6 for nano and elite. You get that. And for the HR, we use 5,080 hours, the max for HR, so we can get the best workforce. And the finance, round 3, we don't need the stock issue anymore. We pay some dividends. You don't need short-term debts, and then you can use a max long-term debts to get this very safe amount of cash. If you want 10,000, it's okay, but 62 to make sure that you can avoid emergency loans in any case, right? And then for TQM, again, you got around 1,000. It's okay. You can customize that if you like. And you see that the income statement here. For round 3, you get 400, just 400,000, 400 million of sales, 46% of contribution margin here, and very high profit here, right? You see 62. That's much higher than competitors. If you want, you can look at the result again. You see big increase in sales and domination in terms of sales and domination in terms of profit, right? So that's the overview decision for round 3, and also step-by-step guide for all the decision. If you have any question, send the email to mbasim.paris@gmail.com to get free support for round 1 and quiz run. And again, do not copy the number because the CompXM is exam different from student to student, right? So you can know the methods, know the strategy, know the way how to do it, and then customize, adjust to match your game. If you have any questions, send the email or get the free support for our quiz run. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.